Welcome back. How often do you feel that you need the trust of other people before you make a decision yourself? You need to stop pitching and start proving. I went from extreme anorexia to recover to building my own business to be a support for others. In here, I share my tips, experience, inspiration for life, confidence, entrepreneurship, and feeling worthy again. But I always postponed my decisions because I thought, based on the comments other people shared with me, that they didn't have that trust in me that I could achieve something. So I noticed that by their distrust in me, I also didn't believe in myself. But the only thing that you can do to create trust in other people is to show them proof. And proof you can only show by taking the first step and by showing them that the actions that you take will lead to a certain outcome. But if you rely on the fact that you only want them to have trust in you before you make a decision and make that first step, nothing will happen at all because you just stay where you are. You can't show them proof and they will not trust you at all. So ask yourself, hey, what am I going to do in this way when you are at the edge of making a decision? Do I want to show them proof? Then I have to take the first step now. Or do I wait? I want them to trust in me before I'm gonna make that step. And one of these examples is that I quit my job before fully feeling ready. I was just doubting all the time. Hey, I just know that I want to quit my job and I'm not in a comfortable situation right now. I feel not respected, not accepted, but am I going to wait? Am I going to wait till other people make me feel like I'm far enough in my own business to make that step? No. I feel like I'm ready right now. I do have to make a move. You need to show them proof, and I'm gonna prove them that I can do what I'm talking about because I'm here and I quit my job before fully feeling ready because I know that I'm getting ready as I make that first step. And as a follow up on that, don't try to over explain, to impress, and to convince other people that you're going to achieve a certain outcome. It's not yet there. They won't trust you, maybe, until you show them snippets of proof. So every step that you take, every moment of progress that you see within yourself, clip it and send it to those people and show them the snippets of proof that you are going to achieve what you're talking about, because that's what will create trust in them. And still, after that, when you feel like after all these snippets of proof, maybe big achievements that you send to them, they don't trust you? Well, detach from it. They're maybe not the people who grow with you, who grow with your involvement, and that's okay. That makes space and room for people who do want to see you as the person that you're going to become. And if that's the case and you feel like I'm the only one, nobody is trusting me, nobody is encouraging me, the only one you need approval from is yourself. I hope this gave you some reflection on how my mindset really changed in just over a year and how I support other women into online entrepreneurship, self worth, and self confidence. And that's really the core of why I spread this message, to really encourage you to grab back to that spark that's on the inside. If you want to learn more about my mentorship and how I support other women, go to the link in the description box. You can book a call with me or just send me a message on my Instagram page. I hope you get some value from this and I got to see you in the next video.